Hello everybody, how are you? So what we are going to learn from this video, of course from this video we are going to learn about the did women have a revolution? As I taught you in my past 4 videos about the French society, okay, how was the French society, how revolution has came in France, and how was the situation in France before revolution and after revolution, all the characters name and story as I taught you. Okay, but now where what is the theme behind it all, who did work back from the curtain? Of course that's women. What all the what in spite of putting there such a lot of effort, what advantages they return, and why women had to do fight next 200 years for their voting right. So this is what we are going to learn here. See, from the very beginning, women's were the very active participant in the event, which brought so many changes in a French society. They hope that their involvement would pressure to the revolutionaries government to introduce, to measure, to improve their life. Actually, there is a woman who belongs to third estate. They had to do work for their livelihood. And what kind of work they were doing for their livelihood? They were doing seamstress, laundress. They sold flowers, fruit, and vegetables. They working like a domestic servant in a richest person of the society. And most of the women they did not had access to the education and job training, and the daughter from the noble and richest person of the society, they went to school, they went to convent school, but after their schooling their parents arranged their marriage. Working women, if we talk about a working women who belongs to middle and lower middle class, so working women in spite of doing their work, they had to do their household work. Once they come back from their home, from their working place, when they come back to home from their working place, they again have to do for their household work. What kind of household work they have to do? Cook, fetch water, okay, and they have to queue up in a bakery shop for the bread, look after their family, and they were not given equal wages through the men. They were paid a very less wages in order to but just because of these all the thing, just because of these all the thing, as women were facing the problem, they decided now they will open their own political club for their demand for their rights. Even they were also the social creature, they also a human being, they also have a right to live in a society as all over the person are living surrounding them. Okay, about 60 women club came up while they decided to open their own club. About 60 women club came in a France cities. About 60 women club came in a France city. Most important women club was there, the Society of Revolutionaries and Republican Women. Again, the Society of Revolutionaries and Republican Women, that was a very famous club. That in that all 60 club, there is a 60 club in one of that, and one of that 60 club there was a one of the most famous club, the Revolutionaries of Women and Republic, the Society of Revolutionaries and Republican Women was the most famous club. And through their club they put there some demand. First of all, they want a voting right and equal wages. Women actually women were very disappointed. Why? Because the constitution of 1791, drafting constitution 1791, which was made through the National Assembly, they excluded the women, they kept women in a passive citizen. So that was the thing disappointing them. They demanded voting right, equal wages. They want equal justice. They wanted that they elected to the assembly. They want a job in a political office and so on. So, but if we talk about the National Assembly, when National Assembly came in a power, National Assembly came in a power in 1791. So when National Assembly came in a power, they introduced a revolutionaries law. They introduced a law. They gave some right to the women. What all the right they gave? They opened a school for the women, convent school. Okay, they said now all women have a compulsory, now all women have a right. There is a compulsory, women will go to school, all girls will go to school. Second, their parents will not force on them for marriage. Third, marriage should be contract based. If they were not happy to their marriage partner, they are not willing to live anymore along with him, even both of them. The contract marriage, there was open marriage for both of them. And they give a divorce right. Like any of them, if a woman and women, any of them were not willing to live anymore with each another, so easily they can go out from their marriage. And in spite of giving these all the thing, one more, some more thing they have given, like women, now women could train for a job. They can do small businesses, and they become an artist. So these all the right has had given while National Assembly has came in a power. But once a reign of terror has came, when once a Jacobin club, when a Maximilian Robespierre he came in a power. So he made a assembly. His assembly name was a convention. What he did with them, he snatched all the first of all, he ordered to close all the women's club and banning their political activities. Even he started to arrest the women's who were running their women's club. He started to arrested them, and most of them were executed. And so now, after the reign of terror, when Jacobin is started, when Maximilian Robespierre he is starting to execute the women, stop and banning their political activities, close their clubs, women's clubs. Now, women had to fight for their voting right. Why? See, women movement for a voting right. It was continue through next 200 year. It was continue next 200 year in many countries of the world. The fight, the fight for their vote was carried out. It was carried out throughout as an international late 19th century to early 20th century. The example of political activities of French women during the revolutionaries year was kept alive as inspiring memories. And finally, when French women got a voting right, finally French women got a voting right on 1946. Just remember, our country, India got freedom 1947, while our country got freedom 1947. Immediate on that time, all women had given a voting right. But French women, they had to do fight for their voting right since 1946. After since 1946, they got a women voting right. Okay, and there is a revolutionary woman. Her name was Olympe de Gaulle. Olympe de Gaulle, she was a revolutionary woman during the French Revolution, during the time of the French Revolution. Her birth is 1748 and death is 1793. She executed through the Jacobin government came in power. When Maximilian Robespierre came in power, he ordered to their government disclose all the women club and banning their political activities, and during that time he arrested all the women and most of them were executed. So she was one of the women while she was executed through the Jacobin club, through the convention. Okay, why? Actually, Olympe de Gaulle, if we talk about her, she was one of the most important women in a revolutionary France. She protested. She protested against the constitution. She protested against the constitution and declaration, the right of a man and citizen, as they excluded them from the basic right that each women being was entitled to. Why you kept us in a passive citizen? She raised her voice, and with her voice all the women came and joined her. So in 1791, she wrote the declaration. 1791, when National Assembly came in power. So she wrote a declaration of a right of a women and citizen, which she addressed to the Queen and to the member of the National Assembly. What declaration wrote? She wrote a declaration to the Queen and the national member of a National Assembly. These two members, she sent a declaration and demanding that act upon him, that act upon it. Okay, act upon it. She demanding her declaration to the Queen of France and the member of a National Assembly. But while she was fighting, there a time came on a 1793 when Maximilian Robespierre has came in a power. The Olympe de Gaulle, see, there was a Jacobin government was forcibly closing down her club and just charge on her a treason in the sense a criminal act. She is doing a criminal act, and because of that treason, she was executed. So this was the story of women, why they have to do for next 200 years. So hope you understand what I explain you, and next video, in next two videos, might this chapter will complete. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye and take care.